Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add random access memory or RAM into your laptop. Okay, let's go. For the first, make sure the laptop is turned off. Then turn your laptop over. After that, unscrew the CPU casing knob. Don't be afraid to open your CPU case, because there will be no bang as long as you really pay attention to which bolts must be opened. Take the RAM you want to install on the laptop. Then insert the RAM with a position 45 degrees. Then press the RAM until you hear a click sound and align with the main board. Okay, like this. After that, put the casing back on. This is how to add a RAM into your laptop. Thanks for watching our video and goodbye.